Matilda Visits says hello from King John's Castle in Scotland. Standing tall for over 800 years, this incredible castle has witnessed events that helped shape modern day Ireland. Building for King John's Castle began in 1212 and took decades to complete. First to be built was the imposing two-towered gatehouse.
At the famous Battle of Hastings, Harold was killed and his army defeated.
Brauchen wir noch zwei Gali, hä? Gut gemacht, Matilda.
Watch out!
Yay! Super! That's what you say. Oh, very good. Thank you. Ready? Then you need to name it. The red one. Where's the pool?
Oh, well done, Matilda.
Come on, Mommy and Daddy.
Of course, Matilda. What are you building? Ooh, that sounds interesting. Where does the big house go? Yeah?
This goes here. Where this goes?
Good babies.
Cradle for explores.
You think so? That's the River Shannon. What can you tell us about the church, Matilda? So with Matilda Visits and Leanne and I, of course, we're currently in the Hunt Museum here in Limerick. Mr. Hunt over the many years gathered a famous collection of antiquities, art, cultural objects of all sorts, from the early prehistoric through the Roman, just everything you can possibly imagine. He was a famous archaeologist and brought together this vast collection of items.
Some of these things, yeah, like that stone's good. It's very much in season.
So Matilda Visits. I'm not fashionable. Matilda Visits fashion icon. My lovely wife Melinda has just reliably informed me that some of these designs here by Sybil are coming back into fashion.
Not really anymore.
Very well. What do you want to say, Matilda?
I don't want to say anything.
Hello, Leander. Do you want to say anything?
No, I can't talk to you.
He just wants to eat and eat and eat, okay? Just keep him little.
No, I want to do it.
look on his face is pretty loving as well.